Hello everyone and welcome back to another installment from our webinar series Straight from the Horse's Mouth. Do your customers and stakeholders understand your sustainability work? These projects can be major investments that use technical language such as LCA, EPD and Scope 3, so it's important that they are well communicated. In this webinar, Fletcher Building explains why it values environmental product declarations and why it's important that stakeholders understand how to use them. An EPD tells the environmental story of a product over its life cycle in a clear, transparent way. Here's a sneak preview.
So why do EPDs matter? Why do we need to talk about them? EPDs show your commitment to transparent environmental data that the government, industry associations, and your suppliers and customers can trust. They help customers make more sustainable choices. Investors are increasingly seeking more information and more transparency on environmental impacts.
At Fletcher Building, we have been creating environmental product declarations for a few years now. And for the reasons that Nicole just said, we really like them. We think they are great, they are transparent, they are robust, they are third-party verified, and they provide information that's really valuable for our customers. For them to be useful, they need to be understood and they need to be used. And as I said, that's a little bit complex. So we have worked together with thinkstep to create this, what we call an EPD communications toolkit, so we can make as many people as possible comfortable with these new concepts. We actually held a workshop when we started the project with some of those audiences, and we asked them, what do you need to know? What do you want to know to be able to communicate with your teams, but also with your customers? And then thinkstep went away and created those documents for us in collaboration and, checking them and making sure they are really reflecting what we needed. And they come back with this factual, but very simple, plain English document. They also have great graphics that are not only part of the document, but we can extract it and reuse them in any other communication we want to have. And I think that was key when we created this project. This was never supposed to be a document that you take and read. It means that you can reuse it with anyone that you want afterwards.
And life cycle assessment, or LCA, is a tool that measures environmental impacts, and the role of an EPD is to be the vehicle where those impacts are disclosed in a very regulated manner.
I really enjoyed how Ferran talked about the EPD comms toolkit and how they made specific packs for various specific stakeholder groups. If you're interested in watching the full webinar, you can find it on the thinkstep-anz website.